Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be fixing the course issue from our Node.js backend. So before moving into the fix, let's just see what course error is and what is the reason behind that. So let's take this as an example. CORS stands for Cross-Origin Resource Sharing. It's a browser security rule that blocks requests when your front end and backend are running on different origins. Now in this example, let's suppose that our front end, which is React.js, is running on localhost port 3000, and our backend, which is in Node.js, is running on the local port 5000. So what's happening is that the browser is blocking the requests, so our front end and back end are not able to communicate. Alright, so let's get into the fix of it, and I will show you a sample code which will fix this issue. Alright, so I am now into my backend project. This is Node.js Express application, and you have to open the index.js file, and I will just run through this code and will explain everything so that it becomes easy for you to implement. If you already have course installed, then that's okay. If not, then you need to install it. It's very simple: npm install course. Next step is enabling the course, and so enabling the course. Now this thing allows our browser to access or give permissions to the front end so that it can access. How it's used is we will have the use function here. We will give the origin. Here we will be using localhost 3000. You can replace this with your localhost port. Then methods which are allowed. In this case, we are allowing everything like get, post, put, delete. You can restrict the usages of this according to their, and then the credentials. So that is it. Just putting this code in will fix this issue, and that is it. Just running through the through other parts of the code. This is just a sample, so that whenever you make this fix, just type in localhost port API and data, and you will be getting this message, which means that you have fixed the issue. And from this code, we are starting our backend on port 5000 so that our backend is ready to listen to our front end. So this is it, and I hope you get your error fixed. And if you like this video, press the like button, share it with your friends, and I will be seeing you in the next one.